Bring them down to your décolletage, your neck, your shoulders, I don't know, like in as many places as possible without, you know, obviously not everywhere, but you know what I mean. Hey there, you're watching Alexa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an update on my skincare project pan, which I do every few months. I also do a new decade project pan, which is just a makeup project pan. If you're interested, it's linked in the playlist down below, and it's also a lot less successful than this project. Because in the year of 2020, I think most of us can all agree that we have spent the most time at home than we ever have, and the most time applying skincare. Maybe not. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. Anyways. Oh, where did that item? Oh, there it is. So the first item is actually something I decanted into this little container. It's from the Face Shop. It's called the White Seed Foaming Cleanser, and it's an exfoliating cleanser. I have maybe about 4 uses left in this little jar. The next item I have is from the Roche Posay. It is their C10 Vitamin C Serum. I implore you to go through your collection, look for anything that has acids, vitamin C, etc., because so many of these skincare items lose their effectiveness over time, especially with exposure to light and just plain old sitting on your shelf. It just sits there and deteriorates over time. So you might as well get through them as soon as you can. Take this unique opportunity to bring them down to your décolletage, your neck, your shoulders, I don't know, like behind your ears. I use this thing everywhere. I mean, I use all of my serums and my skincare in as many places as possible without, you know, obviously not everywhere, but you know what I mean. The next item I have is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is a serum. I've not used this as much. I've only used 1 gram of this between now and the last period, but that's an improvement already. I was really trying to focus on the other serums that I had in this project. The next item that I finished was the Vichy Normaderm Skin Balancing. It's an LHA salicylic acid product, which is designed to tackle blemishes. I blazed through this no problem, and yes. The next item I have is this night cream from Lancome, and admittedly, I've not been the one finishing this up. I left this in the bathroom, and I think my mom's been using some of it because there's no way that I went from 292 down to 276 grams. That's decent. I have used this a couple of times when it was colder, but right now we're experiencing Indian summer this week, and it is so hot right now. I can't even tell you. So I'm gonna wait a bit before I start using this again. A lot of the weight of this product is actually glass, and if you really did look inside, you could tell that the product is quite near to being finished. From 185 grams down to 172 grams, I have this mask from Vichy, and this is called the Quenching Mineral Mask, and I maybe have, I want to say 2 uses left in this, maybe 1 if I get real generous and bring it down to my chest, which is something I sometimes do pre-showering when I really want to get through something. So I'm quite confident that I will finish this before the end of the year. I have made absolutely no progress on the Biologique Recherche mask Vivant. I feel like this is more of a winter mask than a summer mask anyway, so I don't feel bad about that. I don't think I'm gonna finish this by the end of the year though, if I'm entirely frank. Following that, I have this Clarins Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm with Essential Rose Wax, and I do really enjoy this. For some weird reason on the scale, it's gone up 1 gram, but I have been using it, so that actually makes no sense. I am getting very close to the point where I'll probably have to cut open the product to extract what is left inside. So I will finish this by the end of the year. Another product that hasn't gone down in weight is this Quo lip oil. And I just threw this in because instead of using a gloss, I could just pop this oil on top of whatever lip combo that I'm rocking for the day, and it just helps moisturize my lips while getting through another product that's just been living in my collection. I don't think this is really surprising, but I have no progress in the Nuxe Rich Oil because, well, it hasn't been cold enough. I think I'm gonna save this for the latter portion of the year when I need some deep moisturization. SkinCeuticals cream with a really complicated name. I just cut this open and used it for the very last time today. As mentioned earlier, the replacement for my white seed exfoliant is actually this one from Elizabeth Arden. It's from the PREVAGE line. It's called the Anti-Aging Treatment Boosting Cleanser. It's got little beads in it, and this has gone down 4 grams. I decanted a Michael Todd True Organics, what was it, a toner? I put the toner in this bottle and finished it. I will clean this bottle out and use it for something else. I really like spray bottles for toners. It is the epitome of just low maintenance, easy to use, so much better than wasting a lot of product in your cotton rounds. The next thing I have is the Vichy Aqualia Thermal Mineral Water Gel. I've not used this as much because there's a couple of other lotions, moisturizers that I'm trying to use up essentially, but this I've gone down just about 8 grams, so no big deal. I've only got about 1 gram of progress on my Vivant vitamin C serum that I rolled in right after I finished the La Roche Posay, so hopefully I can get through more of this. It is a glass bottle. I noticed that with glass bottles, a lot of the time, most of the weight is obviously the packaging, so I have no idea how much I've actually used. So for this Bioderm Sebium Gel Cleanser, I have gone down from 203 grams to 126 or 125, whatever. And I have about this much left. I think I'll finish it by the end of the year. I mean, what do you guys think? It's a hefty amount, but I'm definitely more than halfway through, so I'll probably get through it. I tend to double cleanse with this when I'm removing my makeup, but I have also been using the newer one from Vichy from my last skincare routine, so that's kind of slowed me down with this one. And the other item I have from Bioderma is the Hydra Bio Gel Cream. This is kind of expired, so I've just been using it in other places like a hand cream and just like on my chest and stuff. I just want to get through it because, I mean, it's not that far off. Does anyone else do that? Do any of you guys use expired skincare products that don't smell bad or don't seem bad? I just feel like the active ingredients don't work as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how your project has been going. If you've been doing a skincare project or a makeup project pan, I'd love to hear about it down below. Let's encourage each other. This year is on its last legs and I'm just so ready for 2021. I think everyone is, really. It's been trying. It's been really trying. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, be sure to do so via Alexa Likes, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye.